Receiving replacement HP Instant Ink cartridges and tracking shipments. If you recently signed up for HP Instant Ink or installed an HP Plus printer and are curious about when to expect replacement ink or toner cartridges, this video will explain when those cartridges are shipped and how to track the shipment. Depending on the device you are using or whether you have a new or existing account, the images shown in this video may differ slightly from your specific display. When you enroll for the HP Instant Ink service, your first set of HP ink or toner cartridges is shipped to you. These cartridges are larger than the ones available in stores. HP Instant Ink plan fees are based on the print plan selected and not the amount of ink or toner shipped or used when printing. Replacement cartridges are not shipped monthly, they are shipped only when you are running low. This means that there is no need to manually order replacement cartridges. Once your printer runs low on ink or toner, HP will automatically send the new cartridges. Note: your printer must be connected to a wired or wireless network at all times for HP Instant Ink services to have an accurate reading of your ink or toner levels. After signing up for HP Instant Ink and creating an account, go to the HP Smart app on your desktop or phone. In the Ink Status section on the main page, you can see the status of your current ink or toner levels. You will be alerted in this section when your ink or toner is running low and replacement cartridges are being shipped. To track your latest shipment of ink or toner, go to the Shipment Tracking section. From here, you can see the shipping date for your most recent replacement cartridge as well as a tracking number to view the shipment progress. If you are experiencing a unique situation related to replacement cartridge shipments, or if you have a question that was not answered in this video, you can always reach out to a virtual agent from the main account dashboard. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.